COVID cases in LA County continue to hover around all-time highs.
Yeah, we're also told deaths and hospitalizations are approaching numbers not seen since the worst of the last winter surge. Another 40,000 COVID-19 cases reported in LA County. 48 more people have died.
And tonight, more than 4,200 people are hospitalized with COVID. That's a 250% increase since January 1st. The rapid rise has health officials fearing the percentage of COVID patients in intensive care could top the worst of the Delta surge.
Now, two big pharmacy companies are dealing with COVID-19 related staffing shortages, forcing them to close some of their stores. Kick it on Sara Donchey with more.
COVID infections have been wreaking havoc on schools, hospitals, and the workforce. LA County Health said Friday that hospitalizations are rising sharply, with an average of 629 more people with COVID-19 being admitted every day.
All require resource-intensive precautions, including isolation rooms, cohorted staff, and personal protective equipment. And this does continue to represent a substantial strain on the healthcare system, particularly in light of the staffing shortages that are happening at all of our hospitals.
And emergency rooms are still overwhelmed. LA County says many hospitals are asking ambulances to divert elsewhere. The number of new infections in Ventura County is at a record high, and nearly 25% of people being tested there are positive. The chief medical officer of Adventist Health Simi Valley says his ER has been unusually busy.
We have definitely seen a dramatic rise in people coming in for respiratory illnesses related to COVID.
And staffing shortages have also been a strain. As many as 60 people were out at once at Dr. Dingillian's hospital, mostly nurses.
For a smaller hospital, we're a 144-bed hospital. That's quite a few staff to be down, and so it challenged us.
About 1/3 of students in LAUSD have missed the first days of school after winter break. About half of them tested positive. One teacher we spoke with said a third of his students were missing from class, and that juggling online and in-person learning has been challenging. Walgreens and CVS have both said they've had to temporarily close some stores and pharmacies or adjust hours because of staffing shortages. Public health officials are warning people to take Omicron seriously, saying there are more COVID-positive patients in LA County ICUs now than during the Delta surge.
These numbers do serve as a stark reminder that for a growing number of people, Omicron is causing severe illness.
Now, LA County health officials admit that it might seem a lot like there's nothing you can do to avoid catching coronavirus at this point, but they say it's important that people still take precautions. In fact, they're saying that people should entirely avoid non-essential gatherings, especially large indoor gatherings where social distancing might not be possible. I'm Sara Donchey, KCAL 9 News.